Do you want to learn Korean the easy and fun way? How do I learn Korean from K-dramas? Can I really do it? Hi, I'm Sohee, a Korean wife who speaks fluent Korean and watches Korean drama as her daily dose. The reason why I think watching K-dramas can help you learn Korean is that you can always get something from it. Other than the Korean language itself, you will also be able to learn about the different Korean culture, which will be very essential to your study. By watching Korean dramas, you can always see how Koreans talk with their friends and carry out casual conversations. So from those conversations, you can pay more attention to the local collocations, funny expressions, or slangs, so that you can try to use them in your own speaking as well. If your purpose of learning Korean is to make Korean friends or to communicate with Koreans, I would suggest you looking for some Korean vlogs to practice listening to daily conversations and read the subtitles if you need. And depending on the genre of the drama, you can learn words from different topics and broaden your vocabulary base. Let's say if the drama is about the struggle in the workplace, then you can learn more about the Korean work culture and how people say things using formal sentence structure, honorific forms, and a polite way to say things. So you want to learn Korean by watching Korean shows too? Follow these 4 easy steps and study Korean with me. First, prepare a notebook to take down your notes, preferably the size that is just right for you to carry around, not too big but not too small. And you may ask, how detailed should I take my notes? Well, not to make it too complicated, just note down the keywords or phrases which are very hard to combine, mix and match on your own, and maybe some expressions to make you sound like a native. You don't have to get all the unknown words down, just make it easy and doable. Choose to jot down the words or phrases in which you think that you will be able to use them in a lot of situations, and also the ones you think are very easy for you to use. Create a Korean rich environment. By that, immerse yourself in the Korean language. Listen to the Korean language whenever and wherever without paying much attention to it. Well, you can do your own thing, like you can be reading, daydreaming, eating, or even cooking. The main goal is to get yourself familiar with the sound and tone of the language. You are going to absorb it subconsciously, even though you are not actively listening or learning. It is going to work better than memorizing grammar the hard way, since you'll be more sensitive to the nuances. Rewatch your favorite Korean drama. I'm sure that a lot of you actually rewatch your favorite dramas. So why not combining entertainment and study Korean together? Make your study fun. To do this, choose your drama based on your level and needs. You can choose to watch cartoons if you're a beginner. Choose the ones you understand for more than 50%. If you chose a drama that is too hard or easy for you, you will get quite frustrated. For the first time rewatching, I recommend you to turn on the subtitles. And as you watch the drama, you may come across some words or phrases that you may find useful, and that's when you use your notebook to copy them down. For the second time round, that's when you turn off the subtitles because you're trying to train your listening skills and check your understanding. And you turn on the subtitles only when you really feel that you cannot remember the meaning and you want to jot the note down. Sometimes you don't really have to really understand every sentence. Practice the lines by reading them out loud will help you reduce your foreign accent. Just like kids, you can acquire a language by imitating the tone and how other people say things to learn naturally. Choose a character that you like from the drama and learn the way how he or she say things. As different people have different tones and choice of words, learn from the people that you personally like to match with your own personality. Pay more attention to where you should stress or pause in a sentence, and where you should link up the words together when you pronounce them. You will sound less like a robot as a result. Remember, as the muscles you use for talking in your mother tongue are different from those you use for talking in Korean, you need to practice using new muscles for accurate pronunciations. Are you learning Korean for interest, or for making friends, or for other reasons? Share your study goals and purpose in the comment box there, and click here for more Korean tips. See you there! Bye!